Cross attacks, right?
Unit binus ranges, stuff like that.
There's a warden to our left, to the west. It's moving close to us.
Guess cursor. Because
That LV.
Are we crossing here?
Crossing.
Okay.
It's some random guy sounds. Not no ready, no squad. The OBS radius is a bit larger since the upgrade, so we need to be careful with that.
Well, it's also
there's
snowing.
no some. Yes, I reduced.
I mean, it's reduced, but it's still bigger than the wide circle on the circle. So, when we were doing the RTO before, we used the flatbeds and trucks to make a blockade block. So, like this.
There's BMAX inside the flatbed if necessary. I'll have dig.
Where's CV? CV is still behind?
Almost
Yep.
there.
I hear it.
Yeah, they
Make a
fast.
space for CV. Do we build pop here, salt? On the pink? Alright. So yeah, build it that resource. So the spawn will be here. A bit. I think it's all right. There are BMATs in the truck, by the way. For the upgrade. It's probably an upgrade.
You to tier 2 died. You make yeah, okay.
We don't have 10 people, so we don't have AI here.
Then we'll get good space for shells.
Yeah, that fob is kind of blocking.
I guess have like one short pallet here, one on the other side, and we have 2 pallets. Each gun has 1. One on the south in the vehicle. On the road.
Let's see it.
Probably not. The 2 vehicles moving, only 1 person being seen.
It's no, you can't really see anything. I hope we are not too close to hear the arting from the road. How many for the fob? How much more? Build some pillboxes if you have nothing to do. At least near the fob and arty guns. For the like rifles. We don't need AT or MG.
Is here? Yeah, once you have the... you can see the wind.
Wind is perfect for us, honestly. Or maybe not perfect, actually. Against us will be probably better. 91 is good, Azzy.
Can you move Howler for a bit? Just wanna place pallet on his position.
Facing.
That's the spawn, guys.
Do we have logic here?
I got some medical equipment, but not a lot.
We don't need medic stuff, we just... You will die in the
I got
spawn.
one medkit just to heal people.
This truck, actually, I think it can stand here, it's a good protection.
It's fine, looks like. Door box.
I'll be a loader.
Yeah, it's going to be difficult with this now.
Try my best to move shells over there.
Warning vehicle south across the border. Ah, well, he might just be a truck.
Make sure that every truck and flatbed and crane is locked and squad locked.
Putting shells on the ground.
We only had 3 flatbeds? Where's the 4th? Am I blind? Alright, on the crane. Something just exploded.
Probably decay. Let's hope so. I think that should be enough shells on the ground for now.
Fire one ready, guys.
Earth 1. Yeah, I shoot 1. Shoot it.
Say the changes, like saying the distance in the chat or VC.
+3 azimuth.
25 as in
995.
Yes. What's the distance?
And it's the same.
What was the change after the? What's the distance after the change?
248, 95. Shoot. Hold. Shoot 1.
Keep firing.
Let me know when I can shoot fire.
Fire above guns, guys. Fire above guns, wise one.
Fire 2.
Is the SHC producing or finished?
Yeah, we are firing.
Both was
Just fired.
Maybe less distance.
That was 2 firing.
236. Fired.
Right?
Had something explode.
Let's change, Pedro.
There's
Should I
shells on
start?
the ground if you need them.
Let's change. I need to.
Yeah,
Temperature is low.
Should I start driving ammo from the seaport?
I'll be fine for now.